Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what would happen if you added a simple 1-minute plank to your daily routine for an entire month? It might sound like a small change, but trust me, the results can be surprising. In today's video, we're diving deep into the benefits, transformations, and challenges you can experience by committing to just 60 seconds of planking every day for 30 days. Stick around till the end. You'll want to know the full impact of this small but mighty workout move. Let's start with the basics. What is a plank? It's a static core exercise where you hold your body in a straight line, supported by your arms or hands and toes. Sounds simple, right? But here's the kicker. Planking targets not just your core, but multiple muscle groups, including your shoulders, glutes, back, and legs. It's a full-body workout packed into one small movement. The beauty of planks lies in their efficiency. They strengthen your stabilizer muscles, improve your posture, and burn calories all at once. Plus, it requires zero equipment, making it accessible for everyone, whether you're at home, in a gym, or even on vacation. So why not give it a shot for 1 minute daily? The first week of planking is where most people face the challenge. Holding a plank for 60 seconds might seem manageable at first, but as the seconds tick by, you'll feel the burn. Your core, arms, and legs will probably shake, and you might start questioning your life choices. Don't worry, this is completely normal. During these first 7 days, your body is adjusting to the new stress, and your muscles are waking up. It's crucial to maintain proper form. Keep your back straight, engage your core, and avoid letting your hips sag. By the end of week 1, you'll notice a small but satisfying improvement. What felt impossible on day 1 starts to feel achievable. As you move into the second week, something amazing happens. Your body starts adapting. Your muscles feel stronger, and holding a 1-minute plank becomes less daunting. You might even find yourself breathing more steadily through the exercise. This is when the physical benefits become more noticeable. Your core feels tighter, your posture improves, and you might even feel less back pain if that's something you've struggled with before. Planking also boosts your mental endurance because pushing through discomfort builds discipline and focus. By the end of week 2, you'll realize that 1 minute is no longer a challenge, it's an opportunity. In week 3, you'll likely start seeing visible results. Your abdominal muscles become more defined, and your overall body composition may begin to shift, especially if you're pairing this habit with a healthy diet. But the benefits aren't just about looks. Planking every day strengthens your core, which plays a massive role in everyday movements like bending, lifting, and even walking. You might notice that daily activities feel easier and that you stand a little taller. This is also a great time to experiment with plank variations, like side planks or forearm planks, to target different muscle groups and keep the challenge fresh. By the final week of your 30-day plank challenge, the transformation is undeniable. Holding a plank for 1 minute feels like second nature, and you may even want to extend the time or try more advanced variations. Beyond physical strength, you'll notice improved mental clarity and focus, thanks to the consistency of sticking to a daily goal. The ripple effect of this small habit extends to other areas of life, boosting your confidence and motivating you to take on new challenges. Whether it's a tighter core, better posture, or a stronger mindset, the impact of this simple daily practice is nothing short of transformative. So what happens when you plank for 1 minute every day for a month? The results speak for themselves. Stronger core muscles, improved posture, mental resilience, and even visible physical changes. It's a small commitment with big payoffs, proving that consistency beats intensity every time. Are you ready to give it a try? Start today and see how this simple exercise can make a world of difference in just 30 days.